What's going on, everybody? It's your man Mike. Welcome back to Mike's Tech Talk. Got a headphone video for you guys today. These are the iHome noise canceling wireless headphones with a rechargeable 22-hour battery life, voice activation. Now, I picked these up at Ross. Not even gonna lie to you, they were $24.99. So I was a little skeptical at first, but when I started reading the back of the box, I liked what I saw. You get Bluetooth audio streaming, active noise cancellation to block out ambient background noise, adjustable padded headband. You get voice prompts, voice configurations for power, pairing, and maximum volume. You get an auxiliary cable, rechargeable 22-hour battery, Bluetooth mic, and a remote so you can control your track selection, volume levels, and phone calls. And you get voice activation so you can access Siri, Google Voice, and more with these headphones. So for $24.99, seemed like a pretty good pickup to me. I do like the coloring of them. I like how they have the little subtle matte red with the all matte black. So we're gonna pop these open and we're gonna see how these sound. So let's get these, let's go get these unlocked here, or should I say unboxed. Let's go and open those up. Get that tape off of there. My little Smith & Wesson unboxing knife, my favorite knife. And let's see, oh, got a little more tape on the side here. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and slide these out from the bottom. Okay, anything else in the box? Nothing else in the box, so we'll toss the box out to the side. We'll put the knife away. Don't play with knives. So here in the top, it looks like you get your cords. So it looks like here in the top we have the, okay, so we got a flat. Okay, that's pretty nice. Now, so the auxiliary cord is flat, if you can see that. It's a flat cord, so that's actually pretty dope. And it's got a microphone, inline microphone attached to it, so that's pretty good. And then it's got a very small micro USB charging cable, micro USB. I wish it would have been USB-C, but for $24.99, I'm not gonna complain. Now, shout out to CSX. You can hear the train in the background. That is unfortunately one of the bad things about the apartment that I live in, is that the train is very loud. But when you've been here as long as I have, you just deal with it. So these are the headphones themselves. Now, off the bat, I cannot tell a lie. They do feel pretty cheap. They feel pretty cheap. But, you know, again, for $24.99, you know, these could be a nice gym pair of headphones, anything like that. Got a little bit of flex to them. Yeah, got a nice little flex to them. The ear pads are like a faux leather, but they're a little hard. They're not as soft as they look, but nevertheless, I do like them. Now, this is where you're going to put your micro USB charging slots. So that's going to be your micro USB charging slot. And you've got your auxiliary cord in. I'm assuming that's the power button, or that's the power indicator. No, that's the power indicator, okay? So you've got play and pause, end call, and Bluetooth. You've got your volume up if you hold it, volume down, next track, backtrack, and you've got the power. So let's see if these things have any juice. Okay, so they do have a little bit of juice. All right, so let me see. I'm gonna put them on. See if there's any voice prompts. Let's see. Okay, so there are no voice prompts when you cut them on. So let's see. And this is the travel bag that you get. Nice mesh travel bag, pretty nice. So I have these over here in the corner because these are the noise canceling headphones I've been using for a while. Now I want to get my hand on a pair of Bose, but for now those have been getting the job done. So let's get all this stuff cleared off. And this is the instructions. Where I should be pretty simple to pair. So let's unlock the Note 9 and let's go to settings. We'll pair this up with the Note 9 for now. We'll go to settings. We'll cut it on. We'll go to Bluetooth. And let's see if they pop up. Got quite a few devices nearby. Good Lord. All right, so we'll see if these pop up. Okay, so when you click on or off, oh, that's the noise cancellation. Okay, so, okay, all right, so my bad, y'all. This ANC means that this is the active noise cancellation. So when that's off, there's no noise cancellation, but when it's on, there's noise cancellation. You hold the Bluetooth button down to activate the pairing mode. So now let's let's once again. All right, so we got the iHome B98, IB98. Okay, and I don't know if you guys can hear that. There are voice prompts, so it said device is connected, power on. All right, so let's see. This is the left side and this is the right side. So I'm gonna try these on and I'm gonna see how they sound. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on the head, and I'll come back and give you guys my little 5-second review of them, or 5 minutes, I should say. So let's check. Okay, y'all. So I've been using them for a few minutes now. I listened to a couple songs. Right now, I got it on one of my favorite songs by Logic. It's called "Never Been." It's off of the Incredible True Story. You guys ought to check that album out. So first impressions, they're really comfortable. Now, they're really comfortable. I'm actually going to go to the gym later on, and I'm going to take these with me, and I'm going to use these when I go to the gym. I'm not going to use my AirPods or anything. I'm going to use these at the gym, and I'm going to take them with me. I will say one thing, though. The noise cancellation is a little weird because when it's off, the volume is a lot louder and a little bit richer. But when it's on, it's almost like the volume gets muffled. I don't know if the noise cancellation is intentionally making it sound different. Like I'm gonna hit play. All right, so you guys can hear that. So I'm gonna hit the noise cancellation. And you can hear the switch when it goes to noise cancellation. Now this is max volume. Now I'll tell you what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit pause, and I'm gonna go. Let's go play another one of my favorite songs, a Young Jeezy song. All right, so this is no noise cancellation. Now let's cut the noise cancellation on. So you can almost hear it get lower. It's hard to show this to you guys without actually letting you wear them, obviously. So I'm trying to do my best to show you guys what it sounds like. On, off, on, off. It's really hard to illustrate it on camera, but you know, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. For $25, I still think they're a good pickup. I personally feel like these are not that bad. You know, all you gotta do is just throw them in your bag. Let's say you're going to the gym for the day, and you just want to rock out to the gym. Boom, there you go. Just grab your phone, grab your headphones, and beam out. So I'm not gonna lie to you. For $25, they're not that bad. These could actually become my new over-the-ear gym headphones, because one thing about the Beats that I do like, I'm gonna take these out, show you guys a little size comparison between them. One thing about the Beats that I dislike is I don't like the fact that the Beats have these, you know, these leather cushions that they have, which are extremely soft, but they can get messed up so easily at the gym. It's like, you know, they get so sweaty that sometimes it makes me worry that I'm gonna mess them up. Now, if anybody knows of any covers that I can get for these, please let me know, because these are amazing. Obviously, offhand, you can see the difference in size. Now, it's hard to illustrate it, but I'm gonna fold that up so you can see what the ear cup looks like. So these are a little bit smaller than the Beats, but they're not gonna be too much smaller than them. These don't really have as much flex on the headphones as these do. So you get a little bit more rotation with these than you do with the Beats. But for the most part, like I said, $25, you know, looking for some quality tech on a budget, $25 at Ross. I'm pretty sure now that I know what the iHome brand sounds like, if you find anything very similar to them, you're not gonna, you know, it's gonna be money well spent, especially considering the fact that these were $350 at the time when I bought them last year, and these were $25. You know, it's a win in my opinion. So anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. It's been your man, Mike. I'm out.